just had the weirdest dream ever. I was in a warehouse and this maniac in a yellow suit was chasing me with an axe. And it's like no matter what I could do, I just couldn't get away from this guy, whoever he was. He was in a mask and it was so weird, but it was so real. And no matter what I could do, I just couldn't get away. And finally we went up these stairs and he had the axe and he was about to do me in, and all of a sudden he was going to swing and thought I was gonna be dead, but then I woke up and it was so weird.
That's terrible. Here, you need this more than I do.
Thanks.
You alright?
Yeah, it's just, it seems so real. So